This is the exacttrades.com Shakers Report for November 29th, 2011. First we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see here we had about 7 sessions to this downtrend. Broke that with yesterday's gap on the open, and we held above that gap for most of the day. Moved up into 120 resistance here, and then pulled back and tested the support at 119. This morning, pulling back after testing 121. So what we're going to look for this morning on the open is to see if it can hold 120 first. We're trying to start a new trend here. You can see this support trend line coming up here, and this is the old trend line. We're also going to have support just under 119, so right around 118.80. So if we lose 120 and it breaks down, look for it to get a bounce around 119 to 118.80 area. If we do have some buying off the open, look for a retest of 121. After that, going to look into some resistance around 121.65, right in this area, to 122. So watch those, 121, 121.65 to 70, and then 122 for more resistance. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First up, we have OKE. You can see resistance line here right around 80.47. Going to look to take this long over 80.51. First profit target is going to be 81.30. Second profit target is going to be 82.07, right in that area. Watch it at 82. You might see a little bit of resistance there. You might want to tighten your stop as you come up into 82. Just keep an eye on it. And then I would trail a stop on the last piece. Try to get maybe some at 82.50 and then up into 83 as the highest target. Now we're looking at QCOR. QCOR. You can see we have resistance here right around 44.50. Going to look to take this long over 44.56. First profit target is going to be right at 45. Second profit target is going to be 45.44. Then you're going to want to trail a stop. See if you can go through 45.50 and up into 46. Next we have SWI. You can see resistance level here right around 31.69. Going to look to take this long over 31.75. First profit target is going to be 32.06. Now watch it at 32. You might want to take your first profit target a little bit early if it finds some resistance at 32. Second profit target is going to be 32.38, and then I'd trail a stop up into 32.60, and then try to be patient into 33. That's if we get some strong buying in the market and we get an uptrending day. Now we're looking at EPD. Resistance level here right around 45.80. Going to look to take this long over 45.87. First profit target is going to be 46.32. Second profit target is going to be 46.77. And then I would trail a stop on the last piece. See if you can test 47, possibly 47.50 area. Now we're looking at AIV to the short side. You can see here not much follow through after the gap yesterday. Weak against the market and retesting these lows a couple times. So we have support here right around 2020. Going to look to take the short under 2019. You have a couple options here. You can take it short at 2019 and look to take your first profit target right at 20. Keep a close eye on it. Could bounce a little bit before 20. So there's barely enough profit potential there to take it on the break here at support. Another option would be you could wait for a break below 20 and take it short there. If you take it short at 2019 or 2020, profit target's going to be right at $20 for the first target, and then $19.80 for your second target. And then I would trail a stop. See if you can come down into $19.50 on your last piece, and possibly 19. Again, depending on what we get in the market, if we get some selling and a retesting of lows, this could really trend down into possibly 19. And our last trade is OZM. You can see support line here right around 70.40. After the big move down, came off this low and really has been flat and consolidating here right off the lows. So going to take the short under 736. First profit target is going to be 729. Second profit target is going to be 722. And then I would trail a stop in your last piece. See if you can come down into the 7 area. Maybe it might bounce a little bit before 7, 704, 705. So just watch it there in that area. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.